Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Student, this is a question. You can see October 17 and 41 variant, question number 6. So let's start. How we can do this one? First of all, we can fill the diagram easily, this empty spaces. So 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 4, 14, plus 4, easy now, 18, plus 4 gets 22, and this is clear. This is okay, this I do later. First of all, I find it the n sequence. So what is the in this sequence? What is a? A is 6. What is the common difference? 10 minus 6 give you 4. And all of you formula Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 6 6 plus n minus 1 into d. 6 plus 4 multiply with n and 4 multiply with a 1. I get 6n minus 4n minus 4. And I solve ultimately 6 plus minus 4 give you 2. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this is nth term is simple. I got a 4n, I'm writing here Tn equals to 4n plus 2. Okay. And after that, well, how to do the next part? Next part is this much. This one. 2, 5, 10, then dot. Okay, I think we can have an idea. This is plus 3. Okay, plus 3 comes. This is plus 5 comes. And I think so. If we check the number of squares, how many squares in fourth diagram, just check it that only. How many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this will help me to, third diagram 10 we have already. Other one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 squares we have. What is the benefit of this? I can check it now, plus 7. So this plus 2 and this is a plus 2. I said you, this is a, whenever second layer difference is same. So this is 100% n square. I repeat, if first layer is same, first layer same. For example, this first layer same, 4, 4 same, then n to power 1. You can see that. But if second layer, first layer is not same, differences, second layer same, then I confirm n to power 2. So I hope so this point is very clear to understand. And now I have two choices. One is a long formula, Tn formula, okay, and one is a trial and error method. So I can use anyone, but I think so this time I can feel it. It is easy to do. How come? Check please. This is term number 1. I show you term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, term number 4, and term number n I'm looking for. Hold on. This is, as I said, so 1 to power 2, this come from here. 2 to power 2, this come from here. 3 to power 2. Why? Because as I said before, is n square. That is why I'm writing it now. So 1 to power 2 plus 1 will give you 2. 2 to power 2, 4 plus 1 giving you 5. 3 to power 2, 9. 9 plus 1 giving you 10. 4 to power 2, 16 plus 1 giving you this answer. And n square plus 1. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I got nth term formula is n square plus 1. But hold on. If you're not confident with this way, if you're not like this way, then long formula available, and that is a plus n minus 1 into d1 plus d2 divided by 2 into n minus 1 into n minus 2. So use this formula if you don't like this way. So, but that I hope so. Got the point is very, very clear. Okay, let's go for next part. In next part, what is story here? Okay, so this is I'm writing here. What is the Tn formula for here? N to the n square plus 1. How to get this 5 number? So plug in 5 here. 5 squared, 25 plus 1, 26. I hope so. This part is also clear. Now diagram number 60, how many crosses? Because crosses is coming from here. So how many number of crosses for diagram number 60? So I will use this formula. And I will plug in this 60 in the place of this n. And that's it. So I can say that Tn equal to 4n plus 2. I replace every n by 60. And I get 240, 242. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, 200 and because 624, yeah, 242. So I think so this is also clear. Now let's talk about the diagram has 26 squares. How many squares? Squares, he talk about the lower one. And I said before, whenever he asks diagram numbers, so put this value not in the place of n, sorry. Put this value in the place of Tn. Whenever he asks for diagram, so this value, some student by mistake replace in the place of n. No, will not replace here. Whenever diagram is question mark, so put this value in the place of Tn. So let's start. And squares are below, sorry. So Tn value, this one you replace here. I'm doing it here. So Tn is already approved. So I replace Tn. So I replace 2 to 6 in the place of Tn. 2 to 6. 1 will go on the other end. So 2 to 5. Take the root of the both side and take a root of 2 to 5 and it comes plus and minus. But you know, plus and minus, no need to write. Why, sir? Because a term number cannot be negative. So I will eliminate negative. So this is my answer. So diagram number 15, we have this many squares. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this point also clear. Now this question is very interesting because some boy students are getting issues in this. There are two techniques to solve this question. One is because he talk about 1 centimeter lines. Side of each square, small square, has 1 centimeter lines. Number of lines of 1 centimeter diagram given by him is this. Okay, I can do in a very short technique. Okay, look at it now. How many lines in this diagram number 1? Please calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 lines are here. Or I calculate this, I got 15 lines. I will show you in two techniques. Okay. So how many lines in diagram number 1? I repeat my words. Diagram number 1 and lines are 7. Or diagram number 2 and lines are 15. So let's start. I will do in 2 ways. Although in exam, you will not show 2 ways. You will show only 1 way. But I am showing you just sake of your extra knowledge. I will plug in 1 in the whole equation. Whole equation, I plug in 1 here. So 2, 1 to power 2, 2, 1 and plus q. I repeat, 1 goes here and 1 goes here. And in diagram number 1, how many lines are there? See on the top, 7 lines. So I'm writing here 7. And congratulations, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I got q value 3. And that's it. He was asking for q. But I will show you way number 2 also. Plug into every n. The way I'm putting. But thing is that what equal comes here? Because this diagram shows a number of lines. How many number of lines in diagram number 2? 15. If I plug in 15 here, my students, here 15, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, I get this. So 15 equals to, this is 12. 12 and subtract from 15, again I got same answer. So no problem at all, you use anyway. I'm writing or here. Use this technique or use this technique. So I believe you learn a new technique that how to handle this kind of question, okay? Although I can do a long way because what is the gap here is 8 gap. What is gap here? I think is 12 gap. And we can apply because you can see, you can sense here, look at here. What is this power here, student? 2. And power 2 means first layer is not same, second layer difference is same. I can use a long formula even. But why I waste my time when I have given this condition? So I hope so. The concept is very, very clear.